again. So here, other information and the map. So everything that you see like on light pin are the restaurants, okay? This section right here is the adults only, and the one is all ages, okay? This is the plaza where you will have shows every night starting at 8:30, and then here the theaters you will have some performance starting at 9:30, okay? Then here on suites you will see from service you have two different. You have the regular one and the one for the club. You will find breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Remember that it's 24 hours total included. Okay. Also, you have some more information that maybe you can need it. For example, that one, in case you request one specific pillow, so you can just dial 0, and they can deliver it to the room. Okay. The restaurants you have open now. We're open tonight and closed now. For example, tonight we have the Pirates Buffet. That's going to be at the plaza at 6 p.m. And then, for example, in Cien, that is Italian, you can see the menu. For all the restaurants, you can see the menu here at the app. Then, at the spa, you will see the service that they offer and the price. Remember, you have a hydrotherapy total included. Okay. Then entertainment, scheduled activities. Those are the activities that we have around the day. So in this session, we'll.
Thank you. Oh, this is nice. Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful.
Okay, let me give you a quick tour. Everything inside is included. So those are included too. This is Barcelona, Dominican rum. Right here you have the glasses and the ice bucket.
Okay.
Okay, look at that. Right here is the jacuzzi. Watch out with that. Seriously. Because we call that a baby maker. Yeah.
Right.
Look at that. Yeah. So when we open the door or the main door, there's side. Okay, so we have different choices. Fire, sleeper, towers, Bulgari. Right here, this is to put the dirty dishes. So when you ask something by room service or if you have glasses, you put it inside. Okay, I bring the luggage for you.
Thank you.